Hi, today we are going to see how to remove TikTok filter from a video. So, first of all, go to TikTok. From here, come to profile, then go to draft. Here you can see I have some draft videos. Click on one of them. Here, click on filter and click on this icon. Then your all the filters will be removed. Now you can post it or you can save it to drafts. So that's how to remove TikTok filter from a video. If you like this video, keep the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.